everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is video number 5 of my Christmas series of 2022. Sorry for the squintiness, but the sun is right there. But today we finally get to put all the Christmas decorations together. So I'm super excited about that. And yeah, I got a lot of work to do, so we're just gonna get right into starting to decorate because I'm already a little tired from hauling all this stuff up here. So I'm just gonna get to it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put up this here pallet. I'm probably gonna use a fence post just to hold it up, and I'm planning on hanging my wreaths off of that. So that's the first thing that we're gonna do. We have a malfunction with our zip ties. I have to fix this. I'll be back. Fixed. Alright, so I got the cross up, and I got the stars up, and I got the wreaths up. So now I have got a couple other things to put up. So right back. Okay, so the next decorations are, of course, something specially for me. I always have to have my little piggies. Yes. So this one I actually got last year. We have to put him together, but he's got a little wreath. His little hat. Oh my goodness, he's stuck in the box. It's like, Alright. I got his ears. See if I can remember how to put him together. He's in pieces. Okay. Just a minute. I'll be back. Okay, I got him put together. Here he is. Look at him. Isn't he adorable? Yeah, I got him at Walmart last year. The year before I got another one, but that one unfortunately didn't survive. But this one did. And they don't have any pigs this year. So I was forced to get another one by different means. And I ordered another little piggy from Amazon. So we're gonna open this up and find out what he looks like, because I have no idea what this little guy is gonna look like. Oh, forgot to put the pig's ears on. He's gotta have his ears. Oh my goodness. Hang on. There. Now he has his ears. He looks better with his ears. There we go. Okay. Back to opening this one. Ugh. Come on, box. There we go. Oh, wow. This guy is like hot pink. Ugh. Wow. My goodness. That is a color. Look at that color. Wow. All right. I'm going to work on putting him together. I'll be right back. Okay, so the here he is. Isn't he cute? He's cute. But the Walmart is definitely better quality, but still, isn't he adorable? Look at him. He's just a little flying pig with a little Santa hat on. Oh man, and obviously since we're doing off the grid decorations, I can't actually plug them in. So I'm gonna have to wrap them with Christmas lights. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. But first, we can go get them placed where we want them. It looks pretty cute, don't it? I think so. Okay. Now we got a bunch of these little guys, and we got a bunch of these little guys to put up. Oh, it took me a hot minute to get all these labels and stuff pulled off all these light bulbs. These are solar light bulbs I got from Dollar Tree. So hopefully they all work. But I thought they were pretty cool. Oh man, my hands hurt from pulling all these labels. Alright, let's put them up. Alright, voila! What do you think? I think it's cute. I think it's so cute. All right, now we're gonna wait till it gets dark and we can turn it all on and see how she looks. Okay, it is now dark, so we are gonna have the grand reveal of the Christmas lights. So, ready, set, ta-da! What do you think? Isn't it pretty? Aww. I think it's really pretty. Look how that cross just, oh, that cross is so pretty. And it does have different settings, but I kind of like that one. And then look at the star. Oh, the star is so pretty. Oh, I'm happy with how it came out. It looks so pretty. Doesn't it look pretty? I like it. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my set of videos of getting this set up. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And yeah, so just thank you guys for watching, and Merry Christmas.